Hello students, welcome once again. I am Dr. Yogesh Kumar Ganorkar. We are going to learn how to draw histological diagram of large artery or elastic artery. Okay, again first we have to draw a box in which you have to draw the diagram. Okay, so each artery having these three layers, which are those tunica intima, tunica media, and tunica adventitia. Okay, let's draw one by one. So the first layer is tunica intima. Okay, so here is the your tunica intima, which is having this endothelium or the simple squamous epithelium. This is endothelium. Below the endothelium, there is a subendothelial connective tissue, which is separated by means of internal elastic lamina. Okay, and there is one more external elastic lamina. Okay, below the endothelium, there is a presence of this subendothelial connective tissue. Simple squamous epithelium are the endothelium. Okay. Below the internal elastic lamina, there is a presence of tunica media. In the large artery, there is the presence of this large number of the elastic fibers. Tunica media is thickest uh, due to the presence of large number of the elastic fibers. So, let's draw it. These are large number of elastic fibers. Okay, these are nothing but the large number of these elastic fibers which are and in between them there is a presence of numerous smooth muscles, but these are this less in quantity. These are the smooth muscles, nucleus of smooth muscle. nucleus of smooth muscle, and these are dense elastic mus elastic fibers. Okay, below this external elastic lamina, there is a presence of vasa. There is a presence of the tunica adventitia. Okay, this tunica adventitia is nothing but this dense connective tissue. Nothing but this dense connective tissue. And in the dense connective tissue, there is a presence of the small arteries. These are called as vasa vasorum. Okay, let's draw it. These are nothing but this vasa vasorum. Okay. So let's make it more beautiful. Due to dense elastic fibers, most of the times it is not, we are not able to differentiate this internal and external elastic lamina. So this is histological diagram of large artery. Okay, now let's label it. So this is endothelium. Okay, below the endothelium there is a subendothelial connective tissue. Okay, what is this? This is internal elastic lamina. Here are the numerous elastic fibers. Okay, and what is this? This is a external elastic lamina. Okay, and this is called as vasa vasorum. Vasa vasorum. Okay, so in between this endothelium and internal elastic lamina we call as tunica intima. In between this internal and external elastic lamina we call as tunica media. Okay, and below that it is a tunica adventitia. Tunica adventitia. Okay, so this is the diagram, and we label it as histological diagram of large artery. Okay, or you may call it as elastic artery. Okay, I hope you understand the histological diagram of large artery or elastic artery very well. Okay, thank you.